En ni koro kambi kuong' maloso weche mag kuong' Kenya Breweries Limited KBL kokalo e math margi mar White Cup ma bende dhi bedo math makare ahinya midhi tii godo e seche ma bende koro tuke ma idhi bagi mag East Africa Safari Rally Classic Rally ma bende koro bedo kadhi nyime. Tudruok ma kamano en bath chenro mar kambino medo tiyo to kod tuke mago mag ng'weje mag geche ka gijiwo bende math ma ok tim e yorno asasa. KBL koro siro tuke mathoth ahinya kinde mokadho osebedo ka gisiro adhula mag agoko kata rugby, ng'wech, volleyball kaachiel to kod mago mag golf.
Corporate Relations Director for East African Breweries. I'm very pleased to be here today as we launch this partnership with the East African Safari Rally. For us as a company and with the White Cup brand, it's a very good opportunity for us to advance the message on responsible drinking. White Cup is a drink that's enjoyed better outside in the outdoors, and we find that it marries very well with the opportunity we have with the East African Safari Rally.
And today is a very exciting day as we launch the partnership between White Cup and Kenya Motorsports for the East African Safari Rally. This is an exciting partnership because one, rally is back, and we know that sporting opening up is great for the country, great for tourism, and it has been 2 years of silence. So this is super exciting. Another reason why this is great is that the East African Safari Rally is celebrating 10 years this year, and Eabl is celebrating 100 years. So as we mark our celebrations, the partnership is a great way to take this forward. White Cup is coming in as the responsible drinking partner for Kenya Motorsports, and this is because it is important that Kenyans understand within motorsport, safety is critical. The behavior of spectators impacts the environment in which the rally happens and impacts the safety of the drivers and all those present.
So now I sincerely thank the Kenya Breweries Limited for becoming our partner, and on behalf of my chairman, Mr. Joey Ghosh, thank you very much. And we really look forward for this continued relationship. You see, motorsports is a very big game, especially the East African Safari Classic Rally. You know, we are holding this event over a period of 9 days with 1 day of rest and going through almost 13 different counties. And we are moving 800 people every day to different destinations, accommodating them. So it's a big, big task.